Sanibonani molweni, welcome to another episode of TVC Gauteng. Igama Zamambo Mkhize, waziwa ngoZamzukwana Closet on the social streets. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and commenting on content yethu. Don't forget that when you comment, comments should be respectful. If not, we will remove them. Ningakhohlwa to even subscribe and click on that notification bell so that when we upload new episodes, you'll be the first ones to be notified. Today I have a guest with you, Ozoshara, his life-changing story. Without wasting his kati, unjani puti?
Ngiyaphila unjani Sizandi?
Ngiyaphila.
Yes.
Cela uzintroduce ebantwini.
Okay, sanibonani babukeli, lana nihlangana no Simon Shabangu, Pastor Legless. Yes. Ngizala ngaseLimpopo eZaneni. Yeah, today ngizonishare ngestory sami ukuthi change njani impilo yami ukuthi ngibe ngila. It's because of a car accident. And then ngizonibekela sona, maybe you guys will learn something from it and then nizo understand and respecta impilo. And then again ngifike la namhlanje ngikhona kune organization engiphushayo nginceda abantu. So the organization helps me to help people out there laba bakhubazekile ngezinto sisazoshare sizofika lapho. So bengi-introduce ngikutshela ukuthi namhlanje njengoba uhlangana noSizo noSizandi la so basikhuluma ngalento ethize. Ngiyabonga. Learn something. Respect life. Mameli, that day, it was the 13th of March 1993. It was a sunny day. Fuye kahle kukhala inyoni ngaphandle. It was nice. I remember ukuthi that day my plans ukuthi ngiye esikoleni some younger sister bekunama visitors another school bazodlala ibhola ama sports and all the stuff. So my plans it was to go there that Saturday. And then I remember ngaphumela ngaphandle kuseni usisi wami busy cleaner, and then ngabona ngaphandle ngizama ukuthela lapha amanzi la kudingeka amanzi, ngangena endlini ngageza. And then ngageza ngaceda ngathatha ibhayisikili yami ngacabanga ukuthi ngikhuphuke ngema A because ekhaya kuse section B ya enkowankowa. Yes, bengine bicycle I'm sure 12 days nginayo le bicycle umama wangithengela yona end of February because it was March. Ngaza impilo yami yachinja nge-13 zika March. So le period leyo le bicycle up until 13 March la ngithole accident ngayo lelo langa. Ngivuke ngayithatha ibhayisikili ngagijima ngale phezulu ngale esikoleni ngizobona amabhasi wafikile njani ngendlela kusase early kodwa ukujaha ukubona lo ufuna ukubona abantu abasha esikoleni. Alright, ngayobona umunye ubhuti wami bathi uBongani, sabonana wagcina wathatha ibhayisikili athi ngimboleke wajika somewhere wabuya ngayithatha ngayendlini. So ngayogeza ngizilungise ibhasi seyifikile. Yase the day is about to start, you see. So that day ngaba nobunothinyana. I remember abantu abaningi abazi about that day. Abantu abekho abaziyo ngalento kahle. It's my second time maybe kuyisho. Ngathenga iCastle, it was a brandy, Castle something. Yeah, I remember ngathi amanzi. Ngayithenga yona ngathi hayi ngizoba ngibusy ngayo ngiphuza makunama visitor vele thina sifake uniform ngithi asingeni khona vele singama boyfriend. Okay, ngaya babukeli and then ngaye endlini ngafika ngageza ngiphethe le nipi yami ngasuka ngaye esikoleni fika vele ngayimixa ngalento ngiyimixa ngayishaya njalo. Okay, bengayimixa. I remember bengiyishaya njalo ngesivalo sakhona. Ngangena esikoleni Bongani wafika futhi ngamnika ibhayisikili washona uBongani. May your soul rest in peace my brother. Wathatha ibhayisikili yami wahamba ngasala ngijikeleza ngibone netball la esikoleni ngiyele kusoka kube njalo. And then late ngawuma 4 uBongani wafika ngathi ayibongani lethi ibhayisikili bese ngidakiwe. Bese ngidakiwe ngaleso sikhathi ngathi lethi ibhayisikili baba sengifuna kuye esontweni. besisonta esontweni lela ngena Saturday la kaMdise, but then ngathatha ibhayisikili ngaye ekhaya, ngandlula ngithatha omunye cousin wami bathi uSwarel wakaNgubeni, ngamthatha sahamba. From Gabotswarel ukuyofika ekhaya honestly angisakhumbuli. Ngatshelwa huyi ukuthi masifike ekhaya sathatha ingubo vele ngibele ibhayisikili yami and bekuyile yabafazi nganento yokulifta. So I had to ukuthi ngigibele esitulweni kube yena ayitrapayo. So it was past 6 by then and bekuqala kuba dark. I remember itrata zaselokishini bebayigubhagubhile kunamanzi kuna in bafuna ukufaka isikontiri yabo. So we had to use a main road. I-main road thina sihamba ngapha ku-yellow line and there's still i-space sothi singahamba imoto ihambe le. Masizongena kule strata leso bekundlula into makasho bekundlula i-golf emhlophe ishaya i-zigzag. U-driver wakhona a-celebrate ukuthi i-Pirates idle i-Chiefs. If niyakhumbula, it was the 13 March nina nithanda ibhola, 13 March 1993, it was Saturday. So sangena estradeni makandlulile, singena estradeni sahamba njalo, angazi ujike kuphi uMjida wabuya, so uza ngasemuva manje. But uMjida ngathi uluze ibalance, asilande ngapha ku-yellow line, masilanda shaso mina ngithi ngihlala esitulweni sebhayisikili ngaflya ngayo wela kule lane bekahamba ngayo ibhayisikili bathi ingene phansi kwemoto and then uMjida ucousin wami ushaye windscreen ngekhanda and then yawela phakathi like. So the way it was bathi babone yena because imoto efike yama naye kunekhumbi lebe isale emuva kule moto lefike yanginyathele inyawo. So mina vele bengifeyintile lapha kodwa ngilale estradeni. So mayifika le phambini yama lo Mjida lo waphuma emotweni wangena kule bemlandela yambalekisa because i-community yazi ukuthi abantu vele banokutrapana mabathola njalo, wabaleka i-excuse yakhona le. So ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngiyamthanda and then ngibonile ukuthi ube khona empilweni yami for isikhathi eside. If bengithele uwe Zama that day bengizoba ngingaphili namhlanje. Lo muntu ongitholile ku-accident bekusister. Yabo kusister esibhedlela saseLithaba aselifini yabona. So uthi bekavakashela ubabakhe maswala ubabakhe amthethe ingane yami abona sekuba late, ubheka inkomo la uhamba khona endleleni. So lo mama uthi maka approacha mina le bayabona ngathi kunemthunzi la estradeni yabo. Wathi waslowa down imoto wafika wayehla athi umuntu muslo. Thola ukuthi angiphefumule uthi angenze i-first aid. Wangenza i-first aid. That's why ngisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayiplana into zakhe. If bekufike nje noma bani bayangeka I understand. So wacela abanye bamfaka emotweni. Uthi mafika le phambili hayi ubona imoto inamazi athi kunabantu afika athi oh i-accident athi akusho ukuthi naye kahle kahle lo ula kule accident yabo. So wangithatha naye wasisela eLithaba esibhedlela. Kodwa mina zange ngibe kulesi sibhedlela because isimo sami besikabi kakhulu. Sifikele OPD and then bafika lo bamise ewadini bayom-admita lo cousin yami. Mina usister lo wasanele transfer ngisuke ngendlula ngiyangewadini shothi and umfana naye ufika ewadini kuchintsha istaff sabo nurse. Bavele banika report ukuthi ufike umuntu oshayise uthole accident enkowankwa what babe ne report yakhe, mina ngandlula abana report yami and so on. La bengiyakhona ngifika ngikhosi bengiye ePitori kodwa ngigcine ngise ePulukwane because le oxygen bathi iphelile endleleni into zami. Mina bangitshela phela into eziningi angizibonanga, bangitshela ukuthi wenzakale so find myself sengise ICU ePulukwane. Khanda lambe lidumbile, iso leli bekuvulekile la like the skin besivulekile bevele nginamaska janje skin sami siyangifavor yabona siyabuya sivaleke. So yeah, that is how my life changed. Yeah, impilo yami yachinja from lapho ngihlale e-ICU, umama wabuya wathatha umntwana wakhe akekho endlini, kwaba indaba. So mina ngithanda ukubonga uNkulunkulu, I'm still here, and wanginika umama wami lo angisapotayo namanje she's still there. Akusumama lo give upile because of a disability as abanye abazali abantu abakhubazekile bayenza, babalahla labantwana babuye bobafake ezikoleni kuphi abasabalandi lapho. I understand, but ngibonga umzali ukuthi namhlanje ngisekhona. Impilo yami ichinche lapho, yachincha lapho esibhedlele. Angisahambi, umuntu ongasahambi vele ngilimele. But then nakhona kuthathe isikhathi kakhulu ukuthi abo-doctor babone ukuthi angeke ngisahamba. Yeah, babone late ukuthi no, ispine sami level L ithe ukuthi kancane kushifta. Yeah, because I remember ukuthi bebathengise nomama ama-crutches. Ukuthi mangiba ngcono because benginesemende kule nyawo leka right beliphukile during that accident. So benginesemende bathi mangiba ngcono ngizothola lama crutches, umama ahambe i-slip sakhona to bhatalile and so on, invoice. So kwathatha isikhathi aba-doctor babona ukuthi hayi man, kahle lo muntu bekumele uyanyakaza, sebashaya le edoleni bashanga le rubber yabo leyo. Are you feeling, how do you feel la, how do you feel? I'm not feeling anything. Yabo, it's where babona to know there's something wrong. Bangithatha bangise x-ray. Mangifike x-ray bangithathe njalo masibuya. Suba uthubo doctor la bakubonisana le x-ray. Ngiyabona kune spinal cord samba kodwa angina understanding. Yeah, understand. But then bengiyazi ukuthi i-spinal cord siyakhona ku-affecta umuntu to this level. Yabo, at that age I was 15, remember. Mangibabona ngisho ukuthi hey, ngaba ne-possibility ukuthi ispine sami silimele. Yabo, hayi ngabona. So udoctor wakhuluma nonurse ngicela abazali balo muntu mabafika and then nisibidze or nibathumelele doctor's office, doctor's room le bazosibona. So yavela yaringa ngimi ukuthi bafuna uyobachazela ukuthi hawa ubhuti kahle uzohamba nge-wheelchair. I remember lelanga umama wafike ngalo, unesi wafika wazombiza, wamthatha wahamba naye khona le. Umama makabuya amehlo wakhe bengibona ukuthi she was crying, but ushaya ukuthi angifihlele ukuthi bekakhala. Yabona ukuthi hayi mama ungawari, uNkulunkulu uyazi ukuthi wenzani. Ngisasemncane ngaphinda ngime ngihambe. Yabo, angazi lamazwi bewabuya yaphi at that age. You understand? But you know, sometimes uNkulunkulu uyakunika i-wisdom somehow ngendlela yakhe. So ngibelieve ukuthi bekuhuye ukhulumayo. You understand? Thawa uNkulunkulu uyazi ngisasemncane ngama futhi ngihambe futhi. Yabo, and then hayi kwaba njalo, hayi asithembele uNkulunkulu kuhuye umama vele. But ngibona manoma akhuluma ukuthi lento iyamlimaza phakathi, yabona. Yeah, and then from lapho ngibe ne-believe ukuthi ngizoma, ngibe ne-faith, and ngifuna futhi ukundlulisa lo ukuthi sometimes you can plan and have a faith in something. As mina bengibelieve ukuthi ngizoma futhi since I'm still young. I understand. So but then uNkulunkulu bengekho ama-plans wakhe ukuthi mina ngisukume futhi. Ngizosho njalo ngiphinde kubonisa ukuthi eze ngishilo ngithi ngine-organization sisonke Disability Foundation. Le foundation le yenza umsebenzi lo bengeke ngiwenze mangihamba. I understand. If ungisukumisile uNkulunkulu bengeke ngikhona ukuyenza lento ngiyenza namhlanje. I understand. So because ama-plans wakhe ukuthi mina ngihlale la because ngizokhona kuyenza umsebenzi wakhe kubantwana bakhe. I understand. Indeed kuba njalo le nyawo vele bele affected kakhulu. 95 they had to remove my leg. It was 96, yeah, in February.
The entire leg?
Yeah, from
okay.
Yeah, bekunethanganyana elincane kodwa lasala liso lisharp mangilala lishaye phansi uthola ukuthi kuba nesilonda futhi. They had to cut it up again kusale nje ipiece engaka manje. Yabo. So and then balikhipha leyo ngo96 lenyawo February, and then November same year 96 I had an accident in 19 zika November. 9 November I was celebrating my 19 years old. Ipeti yambe Thursday, we 7 November, and then 9 November was Saturday, so celebration day was that. Yeah, so ngashayiswa futhi yenye ibhaki ngihamba ngiku-wheelchair ngelanga lephathi uziwa ekhaya wangenzela iphathi khona la estradini ngishaya la estradini boom kwa-affecteka lenyawo. No, alizange affecteke. No, for that time angaffecteka ngenyawo because le beliseliphumile just besengihilile nalo. Lona beli affecte le accident yokuqala vele. Okay, le accident le bangishayisa ngebhaki, and then kwaba my second accident. It was not easy from buying icatula icatula ngigqoke inyawo zonke, so ngiyathenga 2 ngigqoke 1, so I have to adjust. But you know uNkulunkulu ma akuthumile or akubizile for certain a job or assignment, is there for you, is balancing you, is making things ukuthi zibe easy for wena. Why understand? Because musu ulapho kulesimo esibuhlungu ngenxa yakhe ukuthi uzofikelela kumsebenzi wakhe. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So akube buhlungu njengawe ucabanga ungibona ucathi yazi lo muntu in gaming I'm free. You know, because yena udila nami ngendlela yakhe. And then ngo92 before that day accident before that day accident bengifundisa abantu bangakwazi ukukhuluma ama-dramajorant, and then ngishaya igubhu kunamantombazana abadrilla labadrillayo, so bafundisa lamantombazana baze bazosicela esikoleni ukuthi siyofundisa labantu labo. It was another challenge because language, sign language, and so, but it was an opportunity again to learn and then to get use of these people. I'm sorry ukuthi ngibuyele emuva because inayo iwela la kule part yele accident yami. Amasatha ngicela manje i-program okay leya yokubanceda baba right before even 2 months. So yaphela i-project yethu. But I left behind because I had friends, and then I was interested in that language, you know. And then ngaza ngacela ukuthi ngama weekend ngilale khona. Then ama teacher bas understand since basibizile ukuthi so nceda labantwana. Yabo, so ngimangilele khona ngama Saturdays ekuseni siyavuka siya eLithaba school, it's a special school, not that far, maybe 5 or 4 kilometers. Siya khona lesiyodlala ibhola. Ngidlala ibhola nabantu bangaboni. Bona I'm the only one who able. Nginabantu abangakhuluma imumu. Nginalaba abanye baba crippled that other school. Sidlala ibhola ngabantu abangaboni, ibhola mali rolo yali na something kule phakathi. Ngijimisa landelela azwa ngesound yakhahlela, sometimes ya Mr. Awe kube mnandi. Siphusha ama wheelchairs racisa basivala amehlo ngaboni indlela. Kodwa lo muntu ngumphusha uya controller isigijima uyashayisa jinga kube mnandi, you know. Ngabajwayela labantu ishoti mangayanga weekend e1 ngizwa ngathi no
Kontishoda.
and then again umama wabamukele ekhaya because some other weekend bekuzabona bazolala ekhaya Sunday mavuka pheke umama baye esikoleni abanike ama scaftini mababuyele esikoleni. So bongifuna ukuthatha ngokuyise emuva uthi, and then that's how I've been trained by God. Wangihlanganisa nalabantu before accident ukuthi ngiyazi lempilo. I understand ukuthi ngiyazi lempilo ngikhona kuyimukela because while I was with them ila ngibone khona those are human beings. It's not like abathusi because abanye abantu abasaba nokuya laba khona, understand. Abathusi kumnandi abantu nje banormal bafuna ukudlala ibhola nje, uyayibona lento lesiyenzayo thina, it's happening there. So ngabarthanda, ngaphila nabo, ngaba one of them. In other way, I'm trying to say ukuthi ngiqale kuba disabled before ngihlala phezu ko wheelchair. I understand that it's how God prepared me. And then the following year ila ngithola khona i-accident ngizohlala la. So nale part ukuthi ngikhulume nomama ngithi mama ungawari sasemncane is a part of yona lento ukuthi uNkulunkulu une plan. I understand uthi bengekho umunye umuntu ozokhuluma nomama indaba efana leyo. If maybe bekayizwa from someone else ukuthi uSimon usasemncane man usazohamba, maybe bengeke I understand game I understand. So uNkulunkulu wayebeka njalo. So that's how my life changed. Sabuyela futhi le kulelu inyawo eli1 accidents 2. So ngizoya le ngibuye le ukuthi at least uhambe nami because mina ezinye izinto angisifakanga ukuthi zona nazo kule story. I understand. So kwalandela i-accident yes 3. But uyazi always I have to adjust myself. Now Simon akusase hiyo le ndaba uthi uyogqoka le icathula so uyogqoka 1. And then kwaza ngathola any accident. So bengibeke 3 years ne.
So lesi 2 anisho uthi it didn't affect you.
Yeah, lesi 2 ingishayisile already benganalo inyawo.
Inyawo yes.
Yes 3 93 96 year 2000. Year 2000 yiyo affecte lenyawo belisele. Bangishayisela elinyenye bese ngimove out ekhaya ngiyohlala elinyenye. Sorry.
Ilinyenye ikuphi?
Elinyenye iseLimpopo.
Okay.
Eduze nesenkonko. Elamakazi aseduze nalenkonko. Mina ngithi ngibuye enkonko.
Yeah.
So it's where I got my 3rd accident. Ngihamba, I was having an electronic wheelchair. Ngihamba ngayo. So ngifuna ukunika le picture ukuthi yenzakale njani i-accident. Ngifuna ukunika yona bamameli ni understand lento le. It injection ibuya iza from phezulu fika ijike. So mina ngiza from left side of light injection ngizoyijoina.
Okay.
Umuntu lo ngihamba naye uhamba phezulu kwe-paving, mina ngihamba esayidini le-paving kodwa phakathi estradeni. I-paving nayila. Imoto yeza yajika iya la siyakhona. Yafika yapressa la ku wheelchair. Ayihambi ngespeed le moto. I remember well. Mighty qale uthi ngayibona ithi ingpressa ne-paving ngenyawo lela ngapha eli1. My press wheelchair ne-paving might iya le inyawo libuya so liphuma ejoinini ngapha. Yangipressa ngaza ngayishaya la. Pa lo baba ulele. Ulele emotweni. Lucky I bengagijimi but very affected because today angisanalo inyawo. You understand? So yangipressa la liphuma ku join. Aphuma ku join la shaya imoto. Uthe my break ayibuya iye move yona self kancane. Ngikhona ukujika ngiye nge-wheelchair ngiyofika ku fester lakhe uMadalo baba uMadalo udakiwe. Athi hey why wena udlalela estradeni ethi hawo.
Yebo.
Ngithi tata skipper avala iwindow. Lucky that moment kwafika umfazi wakhe angazi bavela kuphi naye. Wafathi hayi sorry baba ubaba wakwami lo usengwana I remember bekuyiphoyisa elinyenye. Yeah elinyenye police station. La kugcina kwesebenza umntwana wakhe bathi umurapedi Sengwana. The time mina ngilimala already wena bekuyiphoyisa umntwana wakhe. Then from lapho umama athi sihlala kuphi angitshela i-wheelchair isahambi seyistakile vele. Ngisukela bangishayise khona ngize ngapha ayisasuka ngapha. Lo mfana wayongithathela i-wheelchair yami eso endlini. Wabuya nasikhona ukuphusha le seat sise khona le kaSengwana. Lo mrapedi masifike le athi hayi ningawari sorry about everything but i-wheelchair ngizokuthengela yona ngizokulungisela yona. Inyawo zakho phela lezi, you understand? Because of not feeling 100% feelings as an I'm paraplegic since the accident ngilimaze ku level L spine. I'm not having 100% feeling in that way. So I couldn't feel much pain. I understand that. Yeah, ngifeel pain ngaye edoctoreni bathi kunika ama-injection ngabuya ngaphila nalo inyawo bodwa liphuma liya. I remember ngengane seNatal Spade balidonsa nge-traction but then lagcina li-affecteka ke limosheka but no zofuna silikhipha or else lizogijima i-infection nomzimba wakho wonke so you'll die. So ngabanikela balikhipha but I thank God, you know, into zoplana uNkulunkulu. Abantu abanye ngikhule bangibhekile le ekhaya. I'm sure basho ngenhliziyo zabo ukuthi hayi angafanga than ukuthi aphele aphila. Yayizothi thina. Yeah, mina ila sikhathi ngiba more active. Ngibonga uNkulunkulu for that because nokuzala ngize ngiyi-1 ngihle eTexini. Yabona I can go everywhere, I'm light. Inyawo the time nginazo zingasebenzi kumele bangiguge bangigibeza imbhede kumele ngiguge bangifake emotweni and so on and kumele ngihambe nginomuntu ngeke ngisuke ngithi ngiyeJozi manje kumele ngithole umuntu ahambe ngiyongibhadala itaxi if wabhema ngamthengela ugwayi siyadla sonke khona uyayi understand so imali ayikho yebo so now ngiyi-1 wherever I go ngiwazoza sinini bathu se-Cape Town yes nini seNatal nini yabo and ngiyi-1 mongathi uyabuzisisa kahle uhamba nobani 1 man angihambi nomuntu so lama accident dawo wangenza ukuthi ngibe more stronger and more flexible. I understand so I know ukuthi uNkulunkulu unami, I know uhamba nami, I know ukuthi assignment lekumele ngiyenze impilo yami kumele ngihambe la ukuthi abantwana baNkulunkulu babe right. I understand, which I accept that. That's why I'm saying I'm a pastor legless. I've been called. You understand? I've been called for this ministry. Ministry yami yalabantu abakhubazekile. Eze ngikhulumile ukuthi kungenze ukuthi ngafika la ngiba khona ne-organization. Sisazofika. Okay, asiyeni ke silandela i-accident yobusi-4. The last accident ngiphuphile maybe 3 times in different years, different type of accident, but at the end of the day I'm a hero on it because I'm helping people baphume emotweni nganazo inyawo yabona kuna something ngiyenzayo kulama accident kanti uNkulunkulu ukhuluma nami. I understand maybe accident izoba ingayenzekalanga if maybe bengine understanding yamaphupho but iphupho lize libuye kwe-3 rikhuluma something and then angiliphuphanga namhlanje kusasa this week next week what kube ne-gap inyana kube ne-gap inyana yabo so 19 it was 2008 it was 8 years September 5 September
okay
bekune funeral somewhere khona la eFoslo next to la bengithengisa khona inkukhu ngosi inkukhu vele mina ngumuntu okuphanda phanda yabo ngiyenza i-chicken dust so khona le eduze nyana kwaba nomuntu washona angimazi lo muntu ubuya from kuphi bazomncwaba ekhaya so let me support them because bangisupport athenga kimi isishebo and all the stuff bengihamba nge-wheelchair futhi ye-electronic but then ngiyithole this side of Gauteng leya iphelele Limpopo mase attenda le funeral bekunama adventure wo2 bawacashile ukuthi azonceda as a transport so ngibele to one of this venture wabona kunale itola zasemuva zibhekene so ngibele sengithi ngicela ukuhlala kula sihlangana nalesi sinye sibheke phambili ukuthi ngikhona ukuba nebalance yabo okay which bayikhipha ama-battery bafaka ama-battery phansi kwamasito emoto bayifolde ukuthi bayifake la esent thothi labantu banamadolo phela akuhlaleki ngathi hayi kuyafana mos I'm just supporting ingasala i-wheelchair mina ngizohlala emotweni yasala i-wheelchair bakhipha ama-battery ila ngibona uNkulunkulu khona yasala e-wheelchair sahamba konje kuphi la kungcwatshwa khona since la kugcwele la eFoslo bathi yes around the belt saye around the belt safika yenza umsebenzi lo mina ba reverse imoto khona ukubona ibhokisi imali yehla ngazi what was that. It was not that necessary, but then bangenze ngifile as one of our attendile. Yes, all right, then masibuya one of those ventures I start. So driver wethu wazala kithi angazi ukhiphe in wire le ukuthi we start njalo imoto ziyaphuma. Okay, wabuya driver wethu le venture yaphuma wafaka lento ayifaka ne wangena wa start. Sesiphuma nje ziyagijima imoto amsho bafuna ukuyocovera leza. Asithe mas approach le bridge le liya Villalisa le walibona. Ngizwe imoto ehamba kanje. Ngalo umunye umama la waqala ichorus vele ithe mayindlula lela bridge phansi kwe bridge iyayekhuphuka le ibuye so ithe mayiceda ukukheva ngiyabona imoto lezi sesitopini le phambili lesihamba nazo and then angazi kwenzakaleni but one thing I remember ukuthi imoto be iya phezulu lesati ngihlale kulo ishaya phansi ngelight ka driver and then sika the oncoming lane but akuna moto lakhe mayijika imoto ngibheke nje estradeni mina ngibona everything even my jumper amagadas ushot ifike ishaya phezulu futhi ijumper amagadas ibuya angisabona amasejika kwe3 sebe kumnyama shalena le hey hayi ngathi ngayivala like this uthi hey mangathi ngithi isandla saphuma somewhere so ngiyoluziza inyawo nezandla ngathi yaza yafika phansi emcabangweni wami uthi ish yazi le moto izosha yathi mayifika phansi le yalala ngeside la ka passenger mina ngijahe nje ukuphuma ngiyakwazi ukuwoka ngiyakwazi ukubamba ya ngihamba so ngiphapha 5 steps ngiphuma ngale window lasemuva vele 5 steps ngezwe kune sound ngezwe ukuthi umama lo kwathi ngijike ngajika mangijika ngithi ngiyabheka ngiyabona lo mama bekahlale ngapha kule seat bengiyibalance ngayo kodwa yambuyisa ngapha abanye balahlile ma ubheka le phezulu le bandlalile nje I understand lapha bekune mushari ntutuko something so umama lo bashayi ikhwaya I'm sorry ukuthi to bring up this is very painful to the family actually yalaba baluze abazali and at that accident but it's part of my life story so I have to bring it up, you understand. Okay, umama lo beka aqale ilokhuzana ichorus uyo ukugcina de wengibheka ngakhona uyo ukugcina ukuphuma emotweni imoto imeso yena ulele ucamelele naye ngale inwele zakhe zila umhlophe sister indoda lebe ihlale eduze kwami ngibalansile indoda yakhe ingapha the other side la kunamavili kwamasonda khona emoto inyawo lakhe liphukile libheke side ngisho lento bengiyibona that day. My sister, I had to take that lady out of the car. I had to take my dreams now is coming to the reality. Yes. So ngifuna ukunikeza le picture. Uyabona le igcina la kuhlala kune rubber ye glass ye fester. Ngibambe lapho ku boot. Ngifaka isandla to pull her out. Ngipressa lento kusho ukuthi mina ngiyibalansa ngalento ngibuyele emuva ngiyamdonsa uyakhala umama uthi ngiyamthunuka but mina ngicabanga nami ukuthi ngifuna ukumkhipha before imoto isha. You understand because ngicabanga nami ngoba beyiroll uthi hey yoshe imoto ipetrol angithi vele aphume half nami manje angisana balance selento esekudeni nami akuna uthi ngizobuyela ngiyombamba kuphi. You understand because isandla lengithembe sona ingalo selile. So ngabona umunye umfana walabe kune funeral andlula ngathi ayimpona asizama ukhipha masamkhipha sambeka le ngizwa akhalo yezwa ongithi found out ukuthi lo mama baphuke 3 ribs spine So leyo futhi I'm sorry futhi I was just trying to help. Ngaba ngi-affected nami ukwabona makutholakala i-accident bafuna ube still kuzofika anganyakazi, but you know things was happening so fast, so I had to pull her out of the car. So lo baba batry kumbloka ukuthi angayi ngapha azovele azobona umama. Ngiyabona le phezulu abantwana besikolo beku Friday. Abantwana besikolo le phezulu bascreama, umunye umlungu uyafona vele imoto sezimile le utshanye bungaka kunamthunzi ngaleso sikhathi. Sengihlalele ekudeni kancane sengihleli. Makufika ama ambulance ese BBH wafika ngamsho 3 bafika so labantu baza kimi labantu ese bangenzela futhi umthunzi kwabona ba blocka ilanga babambane so say are you okay? Oh yes I'm fine. Sengiyabonisa time man cela ninake lo gogo ngicela li nalo mkhulu le nakanda so bona are you sure sir? So sengibhizithi I'm sure mina ngi-right man. So kuyabuya kimi ukuthi maybe babona ukuthi anginazo inyawo bacabanga ngathi bebeziphume lapho ngithi hayi guys iye phathe ngihlekisayo le iye phathe ngihlekisayo le so ngithi hayi mina ngi-right bafowethu naba abantu kulabo athkhululeka khona nabathi ushosho ngithi ya bangena bathatha la into zabo zama bathini ama-stretcher wabo ngibona babhandisha lo mama banaka nalabanye vele hayi ngisele ngibhekile thatha ama-picture bengishaya nge-N70 phone la khona Nokia something like that. Ama-picture la ngiwadelitile lawo mama because ngibona nami ukuthi hayish yabo ngigcine ngiwadelitile vele futhi wafe nefone azange wayuse or to post or something. I was like taking as an experience lento enje uyabo experiment lento yabo. So that was my 4th accident. So but already being sengi half azange ingi affect any way emzimbeni. Ama ambulance wahambe wonke ngasala ngiyi-1. Immediately after accident my younger sister called me, the late Dinyiko. Bhuti alright? Say hey ngicela ukuthola i-accident. Says sure awulimala. Ithi angilimalanga macela ukudropa kungena i-call. Mama hawu bhuti kunjani sharp alright? Hawu mama ngikho right ngithole i-accident manje serious uphuthabo ngithi Thabo my younger brother bengihlala naye la basuthweni besihlala eSintu. So bafonela uThabo thatha i-medical aid uye eButhilong ufike uvulela ubhuti wakhe ifile and then utshela ukuthi uthole i-accident i-ambulance izomlanda. So laba mafika bathi bangithatha laba abanye kuqala ngithi hayi mina ne-medical aid izonze i-ambulance basho but bafuna kumeka sure bafonela eButhilong basi no there's a patient vele report ukuthi ithole i-accident so i-ambulance isendleleni khona bakhululeka bahambe laba. Yeah, kwafika laba bazange bathathe even a minute after bahambile. Bafika bangithathe ngaye eButhilong x-ray nothing nothing ngifake injection for ama-pains banginika amaphilisi bangithathe nge-transport yaseButhilong siyondlula la e-funeralini sithathe la kula muzi lo sithathe i-wheelchair yami bayongibeka endlini ngilale ngiphumule for that day. That was my last accident. And then namanje ngisathandaza ukuthi uNkulunkulu wami don't let the devil come again. Now it's time for me to work. Angifuna udisturb by accident. Ngiyekeni ngisebenze. Umsebenze enginike ukuthi ngizowenza. Yeah, so that was my last accident. And then really indeed it changed my life. I've learned a lot kuyo le life lempilo. That's why today I'm having that organization because I saw the challenges abantu abakhubazekile nabaphila ngokukhubazeka. You understand? So since ngila kunginike le opportunity yokufunda ama difficulties, ama challenges. How do people treat you out there? No, you know. So it helps me a lot and I thank God for that because you know to understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyakucabanga. uNkulunkulu wacabanga ukuthi let me choose this one ngithathe ngimbeke la kule studio sobukhosi. I understand. I feel so grateful ukuthi uNkulunkulu nje wahlala thi le ingane yami ufuna yenze kanje. I understand to know that, to know ukuthi is here by my side wherever I go. Ngitshela noma ngifuna ukuthatha since ngine organization mangi submit a proposal before I pray ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngicela kuye wena kuqala before mina ngifika la. I'm telling you mangifika la nginoka bavula ngibatshela story. How, where were you all this time? We are looking for someone with not disability. Yabona ukuthi already say you went there. Already say uyilungisile indaba mina ngifika ngithole nje into ze right. Aziyenzile mina ngifika nje ngibeka indaba yami phansi athabe solinde wena. I understand. So ngabonga kakhulu, ngabonga iSisonke Disability Foundation. Yeah, ibe khona from June last year.
Okay.
Mara mina 15 years ngiyenza lo msebenzi wokunceda abantu abakhubazekile, buying them food parcels, wheelchairs, crutches, and actual devices that they are using as a disability. And then abanye I try ukuthi siba registerele ekoleni. Yeah, ukuthi ngibe connected nezikolo. Ukuthi abantu khona ukuthi ngibayise. Yeah, abantu. Yeah. Yes, thandwa sami bamameli nonke ukuthi ngishare nani le ndaba ye story sami is because of ngiyenzela ukuthi wena ubheke ilife, ube careful, and then even celebrations, guys, think about you and other person next to you. Ma ucelebrate kungcono uyothenga ubhiya bakho uhlale ejardini uphuze uyijayivele uvule iradio wenze yonke into oyenza uyolala than ukuthi uhambe estradini because at the end of the day uyolimala or uyolimaza omunye umuntu. So it's what I wanted to share with you. So and then again kule foundation le nginceda khona abantu, please if ukhona lo angakhona kusinceda ukuthi sithole ama sponsors or wena ungakhona kusponsor, because this year we are targeting 150 wheelchairs. Ezeke ngikhuluma ngeJanuary, ngoDecember siyoba sinikela ama wheelchairs. So please if you are khona kusinceda, you'll get my number to this la screening, exactly bheka le screening uzobona inumber yami, then ungithinte kuyo and then sizwana sihlangana njani. If kuyikhona i-wheelchair onayo ufuna ukunikela i-crutches, lento enganceda ngisho nempahla, ama-pampers, kunama abantu abadala abasebenzisa ama-pampers abakhubazekile, we also need them. So my number is there, call me and God will bless you. Thank you very much for having me today. I'm so happy to share with you. So ayisebenze le ndaba kwakho, ithathe uyifake la ufunde kuyo, impilo iyachinja. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you learned a lot from Ubhuti. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to TVC Gauteng.
Subscribe!